Today I will explain how to use the sonic M1 for collecting the water leak sound. Before I start the lecture, let me explain the component of our devices. This is a sonic M1, and this is a steel rod. This is a smartphone holder. This is the pressure sensor. This is the power charging cable. This is the groundwater leak collection gender, something. Okay, so as a very first step, you have to connect a smartphone holder with a sonic M1 like this. Okay. Rotate the board. Okay. And then this is the right position. And then you have to tighten the bolt with this rod like this. Okay. And then for collecting the water leak sound, you have to connect this steel rod with a sonic M1 like this. You may have 3 or 4 this type of steel rod. So you can use 2 or 3 depending on the field situation of your pipe network. In South Korea, sometimes we have a winter, so we have the water meter or valve very deep underground, so we normally use 3 this rod, the long the steel rod. But in some countries which have no winters, they have a water meter or valve very not deep underground. In that case, you don't have to use a long steel rod, only 1 or 2. It will be good. Okay, once you finish the connecting the smartphone holder on the sonic M1. Let me explain this more. This is the pressure sensor. Actually, at this lecture, I'm not going to explain the detail about this pressure. Okay, but you can collect water leak sound and the pressure data. It is with the sonic M1 and this pressure sensor. For using this pressure sensor, you need this type of a connecting gender. This is the digital smart meter, and you have to connect this T gender in front of this water meter for connecting this water pressure sensor. So you can connect the water pressure sensor in here, and then you will connect this cable on the back of this smart sonic M1 like this. Once you finish like this, you can collect water pressure data with the sonic M1. Okay. So I'm not going to explain how to collect water pressure data at this time. Maybe next lecture. Today I'm going to focus on the water leakage, collecting water leak sound data. And this is a groundwater leak sound collection gender, and you can use like this, connect this gender in here, and put this on the ground. That means you can collect water leak sound from the ground. Okay, let me start how to collect water leak sound with the sonic M1. Once you finish like this, you have to install the smartphone application first. Now we have Android smartphone application. and you have to search with the Play Store, and I put the NELOW, NELOW. You will see this application, the WI.Plat, and install it. Okay, once it's installed and execute it. Okay, once you install this application, this is the page. This is the first view you will see. Okay, at first step, you have to select the server. Now, if you have a Tanzania, you have to select the Tanzania server, and then you have to sign up. You don't have the ID and the password, right? So you have to sign up. Touch the sign up button, and put your email and password and the name, department. Just put anything on the department. It's okay, and then sign up. Okay. Now I have my ID and password. Okay, once you log in, this is the first page you will see. Now today, I'm going to explain about how to collect water leak sound and touch the water leak button. And as a very first step, you have to register work for collecting water leak sound. Just touch this work registration, and this is the title of a work. Just put anything. Let me test and content test. Okay, and this is a save button. Save. Okay, now you can collect the water leak sound on this the water leak sound work. Okay, once you finish at this step, you have to make a setting for this application first. We normally set the sound collection time 5 seconds, and if you are in overseas in overseas countries, you have to use English and the Google Map, and then don't worry about anything. Just put distance 10. And then save. Now you are ready for collecting the water leak sound. Okay, let's go to the Tanzania here. This is big city, and let's go to some location, and then if you have a GIS information, we will upload the GIS shape file to the server, and then it means you can see the GIS information on this map. But if you do not have a GIS information, you cannot see anything on this map. So you have to save water leak sound only on the location. Okay. So you don't have to worry about F mode or L mode. This is for the GIS, the case. So you only use the S save at this time. Okay, once you finish it at this step, let's push the button of the Sonic M on for making the Bluetooth function available. Like this, and then you put your smartphone like it, and you connect the steel rod with the Sonic M1. Okay, now you are fully ready for collecting water leak sound. Okay. Let me explain. Yeah. Okay, and you hold it and walk around, and you find out the water meter or valve, and you have to touch it. like this. This here is the very good the spot. It's okay. This is okay, and this is okay. This is okay. Sometimes you can touch on the top of it, but it's not recommended. Okay, this place is good. This place is good, and you touch it. Okay, and once you finish like that and walk around, and you will punch the S save button. Now you have to connect the with the Sony M1 and smartphone BLA Connect, and this is the device number is 116, and touch it. Now application connecting with the Sony M1 device. Once it is connected, you will see the model number, and this is the rate of charge of a battery. Okay, and then you walk around and you touch here. You touch here like this, and then or here like this, and then push the start button. So this is the sound data, and this is the frequency data. Yeah. So our application analyze the sound data to transfer the sound data to the frequency data. So if you see the signal like this, this means that there is some kind of extraordinary sound in the pipeline, and if there is any problem, you will not see any frequency here like this. But if there is any suspicious sound, you will see this type of frequency chart. So, and after you collect water sound and save this data, and this sound data will be saved in the server. Now you can see this sound data in here, and you walk around again and push the streaming save button and touch again and start. And save. And walk around again, and you find out the water meter or valve, and push the S save button and touch the pipe and start. Okay, and then save. It is water nudging sound. It is very similar to water leak sound. So if you see the water meter running, you don't have to collect water leak sound. Yeah. Once you see the water meter running is stopped, and then you have to collect water leak sound. Okay, this is all I prepared for the explain the water leak sound collection. Thank you.